Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. So today we are reviewing this Maruti Suzuki Ertiga Tour variant. So this car is mainly used for taxis, and we can see this projector headlights over there, and we don't get any fog light over there, and we can see this front grille finished in chrome, and we get this Maruti logo, new design of this grille. So this is the basic variant of Ertiga. After this model, Maruti offers almost 5 variants, which are LXI, VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus, and we do get an CNG option in this vehicle, and CNG option will be a good choice, because people in Bangalore know that the price of the CNG is very less in Bangalore. Although you will have to sacrifice your boot space, but it will be a good option. And we can see this side look of the vehicle, and we don't get any alloy, so we get this auto foldable, and we get this indicators on the mirror. Door handle, we don't get any request sensors over there. Fuel lid, and this is the look of the rear. In the rear we get a simple and elegant look, which reminds me of the Volvo cars. So this tail light almost similar to the Volvo cars tail light. So we get this 2M badging over there, Maruti logo, and we get this LED, semi-LED tail light, which looks good on this car, and we get this high mount stop lamp, which is also LED. We don't get any antenna over there. Let me open the boot. So this is not the CNG variant, so we get the boot space, although it is not much, but good space for car at this size. So we get a storage place there also underneath, and we get this toolkit placement over there, and these seats can be folded easily. So let me fold it. So after folding the seats, the boot space increases in huge amount, so you can carry a lot of things over there. We get this third row seat belts and armrest with cup holders for the third row passengers, and let me pull it back. Pulling it back is also easy, so no efforts needed, and this can be reclined also. These seats can be reclined, and we get this handle to pull it back. So this is the look of the rear, and we do get a defogger over there, and reflectors, and the bumper design is also good. It looks little sporty, and we get this black colored steel rim, and which is 15 inches, so we don't get any roof rails over there. When we talk about the engine, this car comes with K15 Smart Hybrid 1.5 liter engine, which produces 103 bhp at 138 Nm of torque. The company claimed mileage happens to be 19 kilometers in manual. Come, let's get to the interior. So now we are seeing this car's instrument cluster, and this design of this cluster looks very good. We get this multi-information display over there, which is also pretty big, and this shows almost every information of driver's need. So this is the steering, and we get this controls for stereo. Obviously this stereo is not from company, it's an aftermarket, part of an accessory, so airbag written over there, Maruti logo. We get this headlight controls and wiper controls, instrument cluster, and we get this headlight leveler, power window buttons, and mirror adjustment button, lock and unlock, cup holders, and some storage place over there. We get this handbrake and 5-speed manual gearbox, 2 cup holders with cooling feature, and a storage place. We get this cooling feature over there, some storage place, 12-volt charging port, and USB aux port, and manual AC controls, and we get this hazard light button, and this is the aftermarket stereo system, and we get this glove box and remote for the stereo. The glove box is decent size. We get this AC vent placement over here, which looks good on the dashboard, and this design of the dashboard is also looking good. And we get this rear view mirror with cabin light over there. Get this sun blinds with ticket holders, which can be adjusted. Also sun blind with mirror and airbag warning over there, grab handles, passenger side, and the AC vents for the second row passengers. And this is the look of the dashboard, which looks good. And this car has a speed limit of 80. This car has a speed lock over there. Come, let's get into the rear. The door is pretty long, I would say, and we get this hard plastics all over there, some amount of storage place, mirror control, power window button, storage place, water bottle holder, speakers, and this is the rear seats. And this seat can be completely moved forward to get into the rear seats. Doing it is a task, so I could not do it in one hand.
It's all about humanity.
And come, let's get into the rear. At the rear, I would say small children's will be comfortable, because I'm 6 feet tall. I was not so comfortable at the rear. It was a decent place, but not so comfortable for long rides. So seats are pretty comfortable, and we get this grab handles, cup holders over there. And let me pull it back. And these seats can be reclined, and these are 60-40 split. This can also be folded for boot carrying capacity. The second row is comfortable, second row is very comfortable because we get a lot of leg room, AC vents over there, 2-zone AC controls, and we get this grab handles. Under thigh support is also good, headroom is also good, so we get a good amount of space at the second row. And this is the dashboard look. So thank you guys for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook page for regular updates. And we do have a Kannada channel, so do subscribe for that channel, and Kannada people, please do watch there the same video.